What is up, YouTube? My name is Brandon. This channel is Chili Dog Motorsports, and we're in the driveway today because the weather is nice, and I don't like being cramped in my tiny little garage. We're back with yet another important upgrade to do to the Grom clone. You're going to love this one. Super easy. Watching this video is probably going to take you longer than actually doing it. And the best part is, you only need 2 tools. Today we're going to be talking about the shifter. The stock shifter is pretty sloppy, hard to find neutral. I don't like it, so we're changing it. Let's dig in. As promised, this one is super duper easy. You have an 8mm bolt right here. We're going to go ahead and take that off. Cute video montage of me speeding this up. Should have used a ratchet wrench. That's okay. It's going to be funny if we don't speed this up and it's just me fumbling with the wrench. $8mm socket removed. You're going to pull this off that shaft. Maybe. I also forgot. There's a little C-clip on the back of this. Ours has taken the liberty of disappearing. It's not there anymore. So you're going to need to take a flathead screwdriver or use the proper tool, snap ring remover. Get the snap ring out of there. Ours doesn't have a snap ring, so we don't even got to worry about it. So we're going to slide that off of there. Then take that off of there. Then we will take our new shifter, slide it right on that shaft. Said shaft. Maybe one more. Yeah, here we go. That's probably about right. Yeah, one more slide. Yeah, one more slide. Put that down through that hole. And just like that, you are done. As promised, super quick, hopefully super easy. We will have the parts linked down below, so you can buy yours too. You can buy the same one I got. We could be little matching shifter buddies together. How's that sound? Anyways, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for following. Bye. Get out of my garage. Driveway? Get out of my driveway.